We outside, yeah. We outside. Tonight we celebrate. Tonight we celebrate. If you came with your people, put your hands in the air. If you came for the music, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. If you came for the love, put your hands in the air. Africa to the world, hey. Let's go. I remember when nobody knew my name. I was walking through the rain, I was dancing through the pain. Had a dream in my heart and a fire in my veins. Now I'm standing on the stage and they're screaming my name. I never let the pressure make me lose my way. I kept working every night, I kept praying every day. Now the blessings coming down like the morning rain. And I'm giving thanks to God because we made it through the pain. My brothers by my side, my sisters by my side. Everybody looking fresh, everybody full of pride. We came from different places, but we share the same vibration. Tonight is not about competition, tonight is celebration. If you feel it, if you want it, take it. If the rhythm gets you moving, don't fight it. Let your body talk, let your heartbeat speak. Tonight we can live, tonight we can breathe. Tonight we can together like one big family. 3, 2, 1, everybody jump. African fire, fire, fire. Take me higher, higher, higher. We came to dance all night till we see the morning light. African fire, fire, fire. Burning brighter, brighter, brighter. No slowing down tonight. We keep the energy high. African fire, yeah. Take me high. African fire. All night. Move your body, left side, right side. Why this solid, why this solid? Now speed it up, boom, boom, bang, bang, boom, boom, bang, bang. Everybody scream. Hey! Beautiful girl with the gold around her neck. She came into the party looking better than the rest. When she started moving, everybody show respect. She don't need nobody's approval, she already knows she's blessed. Baby girl, come closer, let me see you move. You got that African rhythm, you got that African groove. Your smile got me frozen, your body got me hypnotized. When you look into my eyes, I see paradise. Tonight we can't forget about tomorrow. Tonight we can leave behind the sorrow. Put your hands in mine, let me take you somewhere beautiful. Don't worry about tomorrow, don't worry about yesterday. We only have tonight, so let's celebrate. Put your worries on the floor, leave your problems at the door. When the beat comes through the speaker, we don't need them anymore. African fire, fire, fire. Take me higher, higher, higher. We came to dance all night till we see the morning light. African fire, fire, fire. Burning brighter, brighter, brighter. No slowing down tonight. We keep the energy high. African fire, take me higher. African fire, all night. Listen to the bass when I speak. Feel the vibration underneath. I don't need a shout to be heard. My voice carries weight when I give you the word. Deep, 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 deep tone, low tone, make the whole room shake. One move, two moves, watch the whole floor wake. I came with the rhythm, I came with the sound. I came with my people, we're taking over now. No fear in my heart, no doubt in my mind. Everywhere that I go, I leave the darkness behind. I told my brothers keep pushing, I told my sisters keep shining. If they don't believe in your vision, keep going until they see it. Yeah, keep going, don't stop, never stop. Hey, we came too far. From Kigali to Lagos, we are one tonight. From Accra to Nairobi, Look at the life that we live. Look at the blessings we give. Started with nothing but vision. Now everybody can see the difference. I had a dream, I kept believing it, even when nobody could see it. I kept moving, I kept breathing. Now I'm standing here and I can feel it. Money can come, money can go. Fame can come, fame can go. But the people over there,